Wow.
Lizard.
Naka ano lang yan siya?
Yeah.
Hindi yan siya aalis sa...
But you also touched it.
Okay. Whoa, it's a big one.
That's a cocktail.
No, you can't, baby.
Why? Look at his tongue.
You wanna know why? Then you go there.
Look at his tongue.
What the fudge? Hey, where are you going? Come back. Wow.
Oh, who are these people?
Hey,
You wanna
come
see a
back.
chicken?
Yeah.
Over there.
Don't ever touch it.
Beautiful.
How did you find it? I think it's the food for them.
Oh no!
That's it.
It's not monitoring lizard anymore. It's just dead lizard.
They're shy. Wow.
Imagine it just starts running to the...
Ano sa rin ng Komodo dragon?
Yeah, murag lahisod na. Oh no!
50 plus!
Oh my God, pero hindi yan sila nangangagat ng tao?
Nanununtok lang.
Nanunitok lang? Naninipa?
Oh, the mountain... So, pupunta kami sa kuya, paano sila?
Minsan din lang po. Ewan lang yun kung meron.